Hey Valentine, welcome back to Soozie's Stuff. I'm Soozie and this is my 60-second DIY. I am so excited today because I'll be doing two 60-second DIYs. They are really cute and I know you're going to love them. So what am I doing talking? Ready, set, go! Everything is from Dollar Tree. I'm starting out with this really beautiful card, some of the vinyl paper in the buffalo check, and a 5x7 frame. Let's have a clock, please. Dollar Tree has so many Valentine things in. They just even restocked the other day when I was there. So the first thing I'm doing is just measuring and cutting out the size of the back of this frame. I peel that off and put it right on. I decided not to use the mat of the frame because it just took up too much space. And then I'm just adding on my favorite Amazon wooden letters. I'll link them down below, just on the card. #love. I love that. And so I'm going to pop it right in there. We have 25 seconds to go. Oh, I love how that turned out. And this is some farmhouse ribbon that I decided to add a little bit of bow on there. And I just love that it's neutral and goes well with everything. And I think I might just make it with 7 seconds, 6, 5. I love how this turned out. Yay, I made it. And for my second DIY, I just found this little shadow box and I'm going to be using some buffalo check, a bead, and I need a clock. Here we go again. So this little picture frame is darling. I've never seen it. It's brand new. They have been putting out even more Dollar Tree things out of Valentine stuff. So I was excited to find this. So all I'm doing is taking some Dollar Tree buffalo check ribbon. I'm just going to wrap it around one time and hot glue it right up there on the top. And instead of making a bow, I just clipped a little bitty piece and I hot glued it sort of together in the middle and I popped it on top because I want to set my little wooden bead right on top of that so it would be all secure together. Then I just clipped it off and shortened it a bit and look how darling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How cute. Look how they turned out together. I love these two little pieces. They're perfect for a little Valentine's gift, a tier tray, or just any little nook that you can find. So I hope that you can find all of these things at Dollar Tree, and they're a little bitty sneak peek of what's coming up on Saturday, because Saturday is my red, white, and black Valentine. I hope you can make it then. I want to thank you for tuning in today. Remember, I do my Tuesday 60-second DIY, and Saturdays are my full DIY. So thanks for joining me on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.